Want a cleaner custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank? Do we have the product for you? In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut chrome delete kit, but what you might not know is that Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to windowtinting.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this Nissan Rogue and we're going to do the wheel chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So this is how the rim looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material in order to black out the entire chrome panel for the rim. Link for the product will be provided below. So with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the entire wheel. So if you do have any car washing products, you're more than welcome to use those products. That way you have a clean installation and no contaminants on the rim. If you do not have any of those products, you can always use slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. And if you do have any harsh chemicals, let's say any wax, oils, grease, or any coating on the rim, it's recommended to use tack solution. That way we're able to remove all of those chemicals from the rim, because if we still have, let's say, wax or any type of coating, the film will not stick to the chrome panel. It's just going to lift and fall off over time. So it needs to be completely clean. No chemicals, no wax, no coating, nothing. That way the adhesive is able to tack down. And then once you're done prepping the rim, make sure that everything's dry. That way the adhesive on the film is able to tack down to the chrome panels. Okay, so when it comes to the installation, you could really just grab any piece because all of the pieces are identical. So when you grab it, you just align it, tack it down, and it's pretty simple, and that's pretty much it. So you could grab any piece to align and tack down. Okay, so when you grab your piece, all you need to do is just align it right on this section here. So right here on this curve. So align it right there. Double check and make sure you're covering all the chrome. And then you just follow through with the design until you reach it to the halfway point here. And then do the same here. Lift and adjust as needed. And just always make sure you're covering the chrome. And that's pretty much it. Then you would just grab your squeegee, start tacking down the film, remove all of the air that may be trapped underneath the film. And then you will need to use a heat device, so you could use a heat gun or a hair dryer just to help it tack down on this curve here, because right here, if you don't apply heat, it's just going to lift over time. So we need to apply heat to help the adhesive activate faster, so I could tack down and cover the chrome on the top section here. So just grab your heat device, make sure you're applying heat evenly on the top section, and then with your squeegee, just help it tack down. Just like that. And then you could go ahead and start using the heat gun and start sealing all of the edges. That way it doesn't lift over time. Pretty simple installation. Just make sure to align it from here. Follow through, make sure you're covering the entire chrome, remove all of the air that's trapped underneath the film, and then seal the top and bottom edge. And then you just repeat it for the remaining ones, and you should be good. So once you finish with the entire installation for the wheel chrome delete, the last thing to do is to post heat everything. So you could use a heat gun or a hair dryer. Just use the lowest setting on your device and apply heat evenly. That way will help the adhesive on the film activate faster and just help the film tack down on the edges in case it is still lifting anywhere on the wheel. So take your time doing this step, and then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the wheel chrome delete installation for the Nissan Rogue. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Don't forget to check out our other chrome delete kits for the Nissan Rogue. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.